today we are going to start algebraic expression division exercise 6c. How we can divide the two algebraic expressions. Like we have given these two expressions. Okay, how we can divide? We can write 2x square 3y cube divide sign is this by 3xy. We want to divide these both. How we can divide? Now we can cut 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are not coming in same table. That's why we can't cut these both. We will write 2 upon 3 as it is. X here is here, downside is x. Means power upper side is more than down one. Then 1x from these both we will cut. Then here left only x. Here 3y. Then we can cut one y from these two. We will write here y square. Okay, this is your answer. Now one more question is there. Like we have given minus 56 m n p square. We want to divide with 7 m n p. Okay, then 56 and 7 both are coming in same table. 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56. Means minus 8 will come. This minus is not cutting from here. Minus 8. M we can cut with m, and we can cut with n, and here 2 p's and downside is 1 p. From 2 1 we will subtract, we will get here 1 p. This answer is minus 8 p. And now in second question, we want to divide these both. In this algebraic expression, we want to divide by 5m. Like we have given 5m cube minus 30m square plus 45m. We want to divide this by 5m. We can write this. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. If numerator is this, like we can write 5m cube upon 5m minus 30m square upon 5m plus 45m upon 5m. Means this denominator we can write downside of each numerator. Okay. Now 5 we can cut with 5. Okay. From here m cube divided with m, we will get here m square because here are 3, and from 3 we will subtract 1 power, then we will get here 2 minus 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, means 6. From 2m we will subtract 1m, we will get here m only, plus 45 is here, downside 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, m we will cut with m, we will get here 9. Now this is your division expression of the algebraic expression. Okay. Now we want to divide these both. We have given 2x raised to 12x raised to 4 plus 8x cube minus 6x square. We want to divide this with minus 2x square. Okay. Now we can write downside of the each denominator 2x square plus 8x cube upon minus 2x square minus 6x square upon minus 2x square. Now we can get 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 1. Firstly we will get here minus sign is downside, then you can write 6 upon minus 1 also you can write, or minus 6 also you can write. We will write in next step. Okay, x raised to 4, downside x raised to 2, we will subtract these 2, then we will get here power 2 only, then 2 1s are 2, here 4s are 8, means plus 4 upon minus 1, here we will get x minus 2 1s are 2. Now here minus 3 upon minus 1, x square we will cut with x square, then we no need to write any x here now. Now we can write 6 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 6, x square as it is. Now minus plus minus 4 upon 1, no need to write 1 downside, only 4x minus minus plus 3. Now this is your answer. quotient and what we will get the remainder. Okay. In last question we have given only one single term here. Okay. Now in this question we have given two terms. Then we will follow this method. Write firstly this one number x square minus 4x plus 4. We want to divide this with x minus 2. Okay. Then firstly you will check here x square is here. We need here x square, but we have given here x only. Then we will multiply this algebraic expression or this number with x only. Then when we will multiply this x with x, we will get here x square. Okay. Then minus 2 multiply with x is minus 2x. Okay. Then after that we are doing subtraction always and division also. Then we will change the sign in algebraic expression when we will do subtraction. Okay. Now this is the plus x square and this is the minus x square. Means opposite in sign. We can cut these both. Okay. Then we will see minus 4x plus 2x. We will get here minus 2x. Okay. Take down second term, third term, 4. Okay, now here we need minus 2x, but here we have only x. Means we have to multiply with minus 2. Then we will multiply this term with minus 2. Then we will get here minus 2x. Okay, x multiplied with minus 2, minus 2x. Minus 2 multiplied with minus 2, we will get here plus 4. Okay, then change the sign, subtract these both. Minus 2x plus 2x. Cancel these both. Plus 4 minus 4. Cancel these both. We will get here 0. Means this is your remainder. Remainder is 0 and this is your quotient. Quotient is